ladies and gentlemen. The score now is 31-24 in favor of Abu Rio. Alright, putting on number 1 as point guard. Number 5. Pass inside, very strong move. Number 4 using the last number. Rebound to look at number 10. Working for the ball. Number 8, another floater. Smooth floater by number 8, ladies and gentlemen. 31-26 is the score. Number 13 to number 10, number 5. Number 5 start number 3. Too strong. Rebound the ball by number 4. Number 4 pushing up the pace. Number 4. Number 4 is strong move. Number 5, pick up jumper. Can't convert. Number 13, pushing on the base, number 13. Number 13 to number 11. Inside pass. A strong low post move by number 4. Number 4 to number 10. Number 10. Puts it. 33-26 is the score right now. Dribble the ball by number 8. To number 5, number 5, number 1. Pushing on the pace, number 1 looking, calling plays, number 1. Pass to number 10, 7 seconds to shoot, number 8. Number 8 looking to number 5, number 5, 2. Let's go, Lucas. Number 8 with a stolen ball. Cannot convert. Number 8 dribble the ball, number 8 pull up for 3. No good. Number 5, dribble the ball by number 5 to number 10, number 10. Outside pass once again to number 5, number 5. Same ball according to referee Rick on. Number 13 to number 4, look at that pass. But can I convert? Number 10, number 8. Very nice inside pass. We're gonna convert those next time. It's the first game, so it's okay. Number 10, number 13, being harassed right now. Number 13 to number 4, pull-up jumper, using the glass. No good. Number 8, outlet pass to number 4. Number 4 says, no problem, I got you. What can I convert? Number 5, number 5, inside pass to number 8. Number 8, using the glass. Not strong enough. Number 5, let's see what number 5 is going to do here. 3-on-2 situation to number 4. Number 4, no problem with it. Number 4. Number 6. Rebel Stalker. Number Fiesta, number 4, first personal foul. Team foul. 16 foul. 33-28 is the score. Number 5, dribble over number 5, number 13 to number 4, stolen. By number 4 pushing up the base. Number 4, 3-on-2 situation. Outside pass to number 10 to 33 looking. Give it back to number 4, to number 33, number 33 off step. To number 5, inside pass to number 13, using the glass. 35-28.
I'm so sorry.
He said, no problem, keep it coming. Number 33, dribble the ball by number 33. To number 5, inside pass to number 10, number 10. People, to number 33. Look at the harassing move by, but no problem, to number 1. 35-point lead by Abu Rio. Being harassed right now, look at the defense. To number 5, penetration goes step back. Cross forward to number 13, number 3, no good. Number 10 with the rebound, number 10 securing the ball. And is looking, number 5, pass to number 33. Number 33, to number 4, spot number 3. No good. Number 5, to number 5, number 5. Number 5 being harassed right now. Number 13, spot number 3. No good. Number 10, look at number 10. So much rebound already. Alright, number 10 securing the glass. Number 5 said, no problem, I got this. Number 33, dribble the ball at number 33. You gotta give it to a point guard. Point guard holding the ball right now. Number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. To number 4, strong move. To number 1, another make a decision to number 33. Didn't draw iron number 4. Bring on the ball, we have 14 seconds left in the first half. To number 5. Red, foul, number 7. Foul, number 7. 9 seconds remaining in the first half. For 3, no good. 2 seconds remaining, 1. And that's the end of the first half, ladies and gentlemen, between Harbor and Hard Eye. 35-30 is the score.